This is how you buy a mobile eSIM with Monero. No account, no email, no name. Start to finish, about 2 minutes. Let's go. Head to ciphersim.com. No sign up, no login. The check on the marriage. The check is right on the page. Hit start checkout. First, pick your plan type. Local is a single country, cheapest per day. Regional covers a road trip. Global works across 180 plus countries with one install. I'll grab a regional plan, the Balkans. Pick your region and choose a plan. You see exactly what you get: data amount, validity price. No hidden subscriptions. 3 gigabytes. 3 gigabytes, 7 days. Done. Now, the part you came for. On the payment step, open the coin selector. USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, DAI, and Monero. Select XMR, you get an address and the exact amount. Send it from any wallet you run. Cake, Feather. No KYC pop-ups, no verify your identity emails. Just a payment. Confirmation usually lands within a couple of minutes, and that's it. Your eSIM QR code appears right on the page, together with a passport link. Save that link. It is your access. No password, no recovery email. Just don't lose it. To install, settings, cellular, add eSIM. Scan the QR. The plan only starts counting when you connect at your destination, so you can buy days before your trip. That's the whole flow. A real eSIM, paid in Monero, and nobody asked who you are. Link in the description. And one stat before you go: 73% of buyers come back for a second one. Apparently that's what happens when telecom just works. See you.